Hey everyone, want to build dashboards in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to create custom dashboards that help you track projects, monitor team performance, and view important data in one place step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, navigate to the **dashboards** section and choose to create a new dashboard. Give your dashboard a clear and descriptive name. Using names like Marketing Dashboard, Project Overview, or Team Performance makes it easier to identify later. Now choose who can access the dashboard and configure any sharing or visibility settings if you're working with a team. Next, start adding **cards* to your dashboard. You can include charts, task lists, calendars, workload views, time tracking, goals, priorities, and many other widgets depending on your needs. Customize each card by selecting the space, folder, list, or tasks you want the data to display. Arrange and resize the cards so your most important information is easy to see at a glance. Next, apply filters to focus on specific projects, team members, statuses, priorities, or date ranges. Review your dashboard regularly and update the widgets as your projects and reporting needs change. Finally, create multiple dashboards for different teams, clients, or departments so everyone has quick access to the information that matters most. And that's how to build dashboards in ClickUp. With customized dashboards and real-time project data, you can monitor progress, improve decision-making, and keep your entire team aligned. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.